Hi there and welcome. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to something that's redefining the way medical students learn and excel. That is Proceum. So Proceum is not just another e-learning platform. It is your trusted partner, your guide, and your ultimate support system throughout your medical journey. Whether you are just stepping into the world of MBBS, navigating the challenges of clinical years, or preparing to ace those critical licensing exams, Proceum has got you covered every step of the way. So our learning management system has been carefully designed with one clear goal: to empower medical students like you to achieve your full potential. We understand the complexity and the sheer magnitude of medical education. That's why Proceum offers a system that's not only comprehensive but also adaptable to your unique needs. But we are not stopping there. Proceum is here to revolutionize medical education. Our vision is to become the premier educational resource that helps students like you to rise above challenges and master concepts with confidence and build a solid foundation for an incredible career in medicine. This is more than just a platform. Proceum is a movement to inspire, to innovate, and to support medical students as they pave the way towards becoming exceptional healthcare professionals. So stay tuned as I take you on the journey through the Proceum's incredible features that are aligned with the latest National Medical Commission CBME curriculum, crafted to engage and inspire through stunning animations and designed to prepare you for both academic as well as professional success. Are you ready to take your medical education to the next level? So let's get started. Welcome to the future medical education, where learning is not just informative but also truly engaging. At Proceum, we are proud to offer something unique: expert-led, peer-reviewed, animated video lectures that take your understanding to the whole new level. First, we have integrated animated explainer videos into our platform, which are visually captivating, engaging, and designed to make even the most complex medical concepts easy to understand. But we just don't stop there. Our video lectures are built around the latest curriculum needs, like the CBME curriculum, which is proposed by the National Medical Commission. Every video we have developed is carefully designed to cover must-know concepts in the way that's visually stunning and incredibly very effective. So what sets the Proceum animated videos apart from other e-learning platforms? We do have high-definition animations which are enhanced by visual effects, flowcharts, algorithms, and high-definition illustrations that make even the most complex topics crystal clear to understand. Not only the illustrations, we even incorporate real images that ground your learning in practical and the clinical reality. So whatever the content we have added in our learning management system, which is tailored specifically for the medical curricula, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly with what you need to know for exams and also for the practice. So we have all heard the saying that a picture speaks 1,000 words. But here at Proceum, we believe that in this digital era, a video, an animation speaks 10,000 words. We all know that visual learning is a very active learning, and it is a game changer when it comes to grasping challenging medical concepts in less time. We all know that medicine is extremely visual field. When you read from textbooks, your mind creates images to understand the topics. But some subjects, like micro molecular level processes or complex physiological mechanisms go beyond imagination. That's where the Proceum animated videos comes in. They bring these topics to life, making them easier to understand and most importantly, retain for the longer period of time once you understand the concept better. So if you see our learning management system, our videos, our library is exhaustive with over 3,000 animated videos covering every subject from the first year to the final year of MBBS, and all these videos are aligned with the latest curriculum. And these videos are more than just lectures, they are tools to help you to visualize, comprehend and master medicine in the way that no textbook can offer. And at Proceum, we believe that when learning is visual, it becomes transformative. So if you are ready to take your medical education to the next level, dive into Proceum's animated video library today. Let's make learning medicine not just effective but unforgettable. This is what is all about the mission and vision of the Proceum. I want to talk specifically about the unique selling proposition of the Proceum's lecture notes, which we are providing for the medical students for first year to final year of their MBBS, and also for the competitive exams like USMLE, PLAB and NEET PG. So at Proceum, we understand how challenging it can be to sift through dense medical textbooks and lengthy lectures. We all know very clear that no student can rely on one single textbook for any given chapter. So to prepare a lecture notes for any given topic or a chapter, as a medical student, you have to refer 5 to 6 standard textbooks. So by referring all the points from the 5 to 6 standard textbooks, you have to take down the points and you have to make your own notes. So to refer the textbooks, making the notes and understanding what is important and what not, covering all the core points is extremely time consuming. Most probably for any lengthier topic, a medical student can spend approximately about 2 to 3 hours to do the same work. That's why we have created detailed and high-yield lecture notes covering all the standardized textbooks that simplify the complex topics into easy to understand content. So these notes are designed to help you focus on what truly matters, therefore saving your time while making your study sessions more effective. So these lecture notes cover everything you need to know for your undergraduate studies, ensuring you are well prepared for your exams. Not only this, they are also packed with high-yield content specifically tailored to help you succeed in competitive exams like National Exit Test, USMLE and PLAB. So with Proceum, you don't get just notes. You get a learning tool that's clear, focused and built to strengthen your understanding of core medical concepts. This is what is the USP of the Proceum's lecture notes. I want to talk specifically about multiple choice questions we have added in the Proceum platform, which are topic specific. What do I mean by topic specific? Generally what happens is, there are so many videos around. We watch the detailed videos, and also there are so many textbooks around. We read the notes from the textbooks and we make our own notes. And also there are plenty of notes which are available. We read everything. So content is available everywhere. But what are the points to focus, especially if these concepts are asked in the form of multiple choice questions in the exams like NEET PG or maybe FMG? Students might be thinking that I know everything by studying the lecture notes, might be thinking that I have understood the concept by listening to the video lecture. But just studying lecture notes is not enough. As a medical student, you also need to know how to identify key points that are likely to appear in exams, and more importantly, how to apply your theoretical knowledge to solving MCQs. So that is the reason Proceum has taken your preparation to next level by integrating multiple choice questions with detailed explanations into every topic to practice. And let us see how it works. See guys, each topic comes with a carefully crafted set of MCQs that highlight the most important points. So all the MCQ related questions are covered from that given topic, so that you will understand very clearly that what type of multiple choice questions can be prepared from that topic itself. These questions help you understand how theoretical concepts are turned into exam questions. So by solving these topic-specific multiple choice questions, you are not just memorizing, you are learning how to think critically and apply your knowledge and approach exam-style questions with a confidence for each and every topic you read. And it doesn't stop there. After solving each multiple choice question, you get detailed explanation that clarify why a specific answer is correct and why others are not. This step is very crucial because it strengthens your understanding and ensures you won't make the same mistake again. So practicing these questions not only reinforces what you have learned but also boosts your confidence for exams. It gives you a clear idea of where you stand and what areas you need to improve. So whether you are preparing for university exams, national exit test, USMLE, PLAB, FMG or NEET PG, these Proceum MCQs are tailored to meet your needs and help you to excel. This is what I want to tell about how these topic-specific MCQs are presented in the Proceum learning management system. I want to tell specifically about the case-based scenarios, what we have added in our learning management system for each and every subject, chapter and at the topic level. So you might be having so many question banks out there in the market, but no question bank will give you the structured approach as per the subject, chapter and topic. So tell me, where can you find topic specific cases? If you want 5 to 6 cases about hypothyroidism, can you get it? If you want 5 to 6 cases specifically on pheochromocytoma, immediately after reading the lecture notes, can you get it? So the topic specific cases are not out there. Especially what Proceum feels is, in this modern medical education, one thing has become crystal clear. Learning is not just about memorizing facts. So rote learning methodology is not going to help in the medical education. So it is all about applying what you know to solve real world problems in the form of PBLs, problem-based learning or case-based scenarios. That is the reason Proceum introduces something truly powerful known as topic-specific cases. This is our USP. So let me explain why this is so important. So as a medical student, you will watch a detailed video lecture, you will study a lecture notes, and you will solve MCQs to gain knowledge. But the real challenge lies in applying the knowledge what you have got to the patient care. After all, no patient ever walks into a clinic saying, I am an anatomy patient or I am a physiology case. Patient comes with a clinical symptoms that require you to integrate everything you have learned from anatomy to biochemistry to pathology to make a diagnosis and decide on the right treatment. So this is where Proceum topic specific cases comes in. So for every topic you study, we have developed clinical case scenarios that mimic real life situations. So these cases encourage you to think like a physician, helping you to connect theoretical knowledge to practical patient-centered care. So you will learn to integrate the subject-specific knowledge, breaking down barriers between the disciplines and seeing the bigger picture of the patient management. So with these cases, students not only understand how a topic applies in the practice, but also develop a critical thinking skills needed to approach the patient holistically. So this approach ensures you are not just studying for exams, but you are preparing to become a skilled and confident doctor. So each case walk you through the virtual patient scenario, challenging you to analyze symptoms, diagnose conditions, and to consider treatment options. So it's like stepping into a real clinic all while studying from your device. So this problem-based learning strategy is the heart of modern medical education, and at Proceum, we are proud to make it accessible and engaging for all of you. This is what is required in the modern medical era in the medical education, and Proceum is making it true. And this is what I want to tell specifically about topic-specific cases, what Proceum provides in the e-learning platform. Thank you.